What's up, YouTube? Stank. Say hi.
I see hi.
I'm tired now. Alright, y'all. So we at Walmart. We are about to get some stuff for our bathroom to change it up. And we're getting baby Shon some monster trucks. He's obsessed with monster trucks right now. So about to get him a couple of those.
10, 9, 8, 7,
I've been in the car too damn long.
Cool, let's go. Okay.
Why are you giving me that?
You getting the baby?
This your vlog. Come on. Where are we going?
Yeah.
Control double R.
Wanna get some monster trucks? We can get the juice while we over here, so you don't have to come back. You think we should get one of these, babe? The sun thing.
Oh.
Keep the sun out of his face for the window. Okay, let's grab juice and then we can go get his toys.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi,
Say I'm getting some monster trucks. Which one is Grave Digger? Let me see Grave Digger. Alright, we about to get him some monster truck. I got this little mask on. This little mask on. Take this off. I don't even need this. It's better without it. This thing's so damn big, we need the little one back.
Well, I have the little one. I gotta find it.
That's a little mask on. Say what's up? YouTube. Welcome.
What?
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 Monster truck.
Mushroom truck.
Say vroom. what's up? So we grabbing the rods and stuff for the bathroom, shower curtain rods and all that. Big ghost gang. I know
You
how
think
to.
the rug that we have will go with this?
Yes.
The rugs we have?
Yes.
And then just get a black rug, like 2 little black rugs maybe?
You can. Drip check.
It has flowers on it.
Huh?
It's nothing girly, is it?
No. I don't pay attention to that. I just get in the shower. I just told you I'm one of the guys that just get in the shower and stuff. It don't gotta be nothing too crazy. Yeah, but we back. Look at this little mouth. What's up? We back with the channel. Hey, we back on Shon and Ariel though. I changed the name back. I'm sure y'all noticed.
Or do you like this?
Huh?
This one?
Alright, finally after all the stuff we need, we over here for the stuff we came here for. We gotta find him some cars.
Here's the truck.
He been into monster trucks. Them ain't monster trucks.
Oh no, they're down here. Let's go.
He want monster trucks.
Look, man.
Alright. Haha, get him some Ninja Turtle monster trucks.
Look.
Look, you like those? You like those?
What is this, baby?
Got my boy Michelangelo. Oh, look at the monster trucks.
This one is Leonardo. Do they have another one?
These ones sweet. These ones sweet. Look at those. Whoa. Whoa. You like those?
I don't have them.
Well, he like Leo. He want him out. You want Leo out?
They don't have the other one.
Monster truck.
What's the last one name again?
Who? Raphael.
Yeah, they don't have one. I don't see anyone.
How you not gonna have Raphael? What kind of shit?
Is he up here?
What kind of shit? Look, man. Son of a digger.
Oh, look, baby.
Son
Son of a digger. You want to get son of a digger? Yeah, you got grave digger.
Great. You don't want this one, Mama? Oh, you want me to open it? Come on, let's go. You like that one?
Yeah.
Let me see. No, they don't even show.
They don't even show me.
Hell no. That's wild. Yeah, so we getting him some monster trucks. Really should get him this fucking thing right here.
Oh yeah, he'll like that.
This,
That one or the one above?
that look like some shit that he just have to, he'll cock it and it'll shoot him out. I'm looking for something for him to like actually be able to ride his monster trucks around. I don't know. I want to find him a big track.
Yeah, put a grave digger until we get it out.
Alright, come on, let's go. Cause I know he impatient.
So impatient.
He's very impatient. He ain't even saying a word to us. He ain't saying help, open it, none of that. He just want it open. What, something that he like? No. Them was all the cars right there. He just got 8 monster trucks. So yeah, we're gonna be starting him a little channel since we changed this one from Stokes Family. Just cause every time you search Shon and Ariel, our channel pop up. But if you search Stokes Family, a whole bunch of other channels. So we just thought in order to get into like the algorithm and stuff, we're gonna make our shit back Shon and Ariel. And we just gonna make him a kid channel where he play his little toys. But we'll see y'all. We about to pay for it and go home and stuff. Alright, we just got home. We got his little monster trucks. He opened the Leonardo one before we even got out the store. Really? Crushable car. You want a little recrushable car. I'm gonna take his little monster truck over there to him so he can open it up. Come on. Woo! Monster trucks! Alright, man. Show the camera. Show the camera your monster truck. You already know. Look. Here you got Donnie. There you got Mikey. Woo! Look, son of a digger. Son of a digger. Woo. Hey. Look. Look what this one can do. Son of a digger cold. Look. He cold, baby. Shon, look. Oh, he's sweet. Trying to race him while you line him up. Yeah, you got more, bro. Woo! Megalodon. Hmm? You got a little pussy. Son of a bigger pussy. Looks like a Tesla. This the coldest one right here, baby. Shon. Woo! Say thanks for watching, YouTube. Say see you in the next one. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's been Shon. We'll see y'all in the next one. Thank y'all for watching. We coming back heavy with this YouTube junk.
Peace.
Yeah. Hey, follow our other channels down in the description below. And we're gonna make him a channel, so it's gonna probably be down there in the description below. Thank y'all.
Thank y'all.